So it's Saturday. Y'all know we have chore stuff to do, and I hate the rain. Oh my goodness. I hate the rain, and it's drizzling. It was pouring down before. Try to lay in the bed and wait till the rain slow down. I think I've been having a little bit of seasonal depression because I haven't been out here all week. And I try to give my son a break on Saturdays and clean up. So he's been taking care of the ducks and chickens. Ooh, stink. And I'm here to clean up. And look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness, y'all. Just look at this. It's okay. I'm okay with dealing with this though. Because I just push this up and the water fall down the side. Now do it come back into the coop? Yes. Do I like it? No. But to keep them a little warmer, I'll deal with it. All right. We got most of the rain out. Most of the rainwater off of there. Um, I don't know what's been going on in here, but it's dirty. Like, was they having a fight? I don't know. It's filthy. It's filthy in here. I probably need to lay down some more bedding because water tank is empty. Gotta refill that. Oh, and please don't tell my husband I got his sweatshirt on. I couldn't find my black wolf sweatshirt. That would have kept me much warmer out here in this thing. Like, I need more bedding. I think that's the problem. I need to clean that water bowl out. Surprisingly, the duck's side isn't that bad. It's a little cap that closes the feeder. I don't know why I still have this in here. It's just muddy. Look how dirty. Disgusting. So I had to get some more bedding, which I only have a little bit. So I'm gonna have to head to Tractor Supply and get some more. I don't keep my animals out here at night. I think I probably told you before. It's because for one, it's not fully winterized and it's not fully predator proof. Um, I hope this does it because it's less than a half of a bag. But the smell of my house for keeping them out here during the day and just having them in at night has improved because they some stinky people, some stinky animals. I procrastinate. I should have been had this winterized and predator proof. I still have to do this back wall with hardware cloth and do the little skirt on the bottom to keep predators from digging. And I haven't done it. Haven't went to Lowe's. That's when where I've been getting it from because I can just go there and get it instead of waiting for it to get delivered. I never walked around all of Tractor Supply to see if Tractor Supply sell it, but I'm pretty sure they do. This is not enough bedding. This was a joke. So let me go clean their water containers and get them out here so they can enjoy this muddy day. Well, it started to pour down rain. You see my glasses is wet. This is the most I can do for today. It's not pretty. It's not perfect. These are one of the sides of having backyard chickens, but they have food, they have water, they have shelter from the rain, and maybe next Saturday I'll clean it even better. Y'all have a great day.